Hi, it's Jay here and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we are going to continue on with the vehicle script, and as I said, now we have the basic functionality in place. We're going to just concentrate on polishing this script up. So let's begin with the most simple of things, and that's the GUI. Now, I'm going to change the maximum speed to 100. Let's have a look. I'm going to change the acceleration speed to 2.5, and I may adjust this further. Let's try braking force, a value of 5. And now we'll need a number of other variables, and I'm going to put them here at the bottom. Obviously you can put them wherever you like, and the first ones are going to be of type texture 2D. Let's give these a naming convention. So the first one I'm just going to call speedo background. Let's close the line off into the comments, and what we usually use, create slot in inspector to assign speedo background texture, and let's just copy that and we'll paste it in twice more, and we'll change the naming convention. So the next one we're going to change to underscore speedo needle, and the last one will change to speedo trim. Let's tidy up those comments and we'll change them as necessary. And with that in place, let's continue on because we will need some more variables. The next one can be of type private float underscore speedo needle length. Close the line off into the comments, and we'll just say defines the speedo needle length. You can put for positional. Let's come below of type private vector2 underscore texture size. We're going to make this equal to a new vector2, open and close brackets, inside close the line off inside the brackets. We're going to use a value of 600, 50. Into the comments again. Defines the speedo texture size. So we'll come below again, private, and this can be of type int. Texture size offset. Let's make that equal to 100, close the line off, into the comments, define speedo texture offset below of type private int underscore speedo needle width, and you can make these floats if you don't want to use a whole number, but I find these whole numbers work just fine, so I'll leave them as ints at least for now. Define speedo needle width, and finally private bool underscore set vehicle GUI on off. Let's close that line off. Into the comments we'll say defines if the, let's say, vehicle GUI is on or off. So we'll just save that there. We'll downsize that and we'll come to our vehicle. So as you can see, we now have 3 slots. Let's come to the GUI, and these are the textures I have created. Now the speedo trim, we'll need to set that to editor GUI so we can get the transparency. So let's go ahead and assign those. And I do have a website now. I'm going to put a link in the description. So if you want any of the GUI I have created, they will be available to download from there. Now, obviously, some GUI I haven't created, and I'm not going to distribute those, only the ones that have been created by me, just to avoid any problems. But any other GUI is obviously available online or through the asset store, so you can go ahead and download that for yourself from other sources. But I know a lot of you've been waiting for the website. I've decided just to go ahead and create one for myself, and that, as I said, is now live. It will take a while though for me to get a lot of things uploaded. This will be the first upload, and I'll slowly get things on there as and when I can. So I think we're going to leave it here for now, and in the very next lesson we'll actually work on getting the GUI working. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.